Everybody, I'm Dr. Ruchir Bhavsar, and some of you have reached out to me asking about how to revise. So basically, some of you who have been preparing for the last few months have read the theory textbooks, you have read through our notes, you have solved the MCQs, and now you are in the phase of revision. Then I'll advise you the following things what you need to take care or how to revise. So for preparation of NEET tests, theory revision is equally important to that of the MCQ solving. Let's say if you're reading a topic from Bailey, you cannot read everything. You need to concentrate on the things which you have underlined, or if you're utilizing our notes, or you have made your own notes, you need to revise that. So in revision, what is important? The important points which you have highlighted from each topic, the tables, charts, images, these four things will be your base for revision, and add on the MCQs that will act as a separate revision. You cannot read the whole textbooks. If you have a habit of reading the textbooks, then you can do that. If you have read through the textbook, you do not have any notes. If you have not marked, then you can just go through the textbooks if your speed allows it. But if you have marked or you have made notes, then you need to concentrate on those segregated things. You cannot revise the whole textbooks. Okay. So let's say if you are reading Bailey, you have made notes or have our notes, you can just go through the important aspects and tables, charts, and images. For Sabiston, you do not read the whole textbook again. In that also utilize our notes, or if you have your own notes, just read the important portions. In revision, important thing is to revise everything, but not from the textbook, because you do not need to read again. You need to just revise the concepts. So you need to concentrate on the important aspects of the topic, or what you have marked, or what you have written in notes or from our notes, and that is how you need to utilize the revision from the various sources. MCQ solving. And you need to incorporate revision in two ways. So the first thing is what I tell even for the people who are starting new is that whenever you're reading a topic today, solve the MCQs after 5 to 7 days. That is what also you need to incorporate when you're revising the topic. So let's say if you are reading or revising pancreas today, revise from Bailey, revise from Sabiston. If you have had a short synopsis, revise from that video lecture or notes, and then solve the MCQs of a topic which you have read 5 to 7 days back. Okay. Don't solve the MCQs of pancreas today. Solve that MCQs after 5 to 7 days and solve it in test mode. So that will act as a third to fourth revision. And next, how to revise or how to make a revision schedule. Then you can utilize again our study planner, which is again module based and priority based, and revise in that manner, because GIT will be revising a lot more than the other topics, but you will miss out on the other topics. So revise the other topics similar to that of what you're revising GIT and GUT. So that is one thing. Second thing is theory revision for different people will be more important than MCQ solving. Some will be revising from MCQs, less from theory. You need to balance it out. That according to me, if you are just revising now, you should give 50% time to theory revision and 50% time to MCQ revision, and in that incorporate the mock exams, because you do not just need to test your conceptual knowledge, you also need to test that how much you are able to recollect, if you are getting confused any topic, or if you are making mistakes in the recollection. So that is what I'll advise you about how to revise, because my basic idea is that you should be thorough with all the three textbooks if you are revising now. So if you have read Bailey, Sabiston till now, revise that and add on the shorts, notes, or the videos where I have covered all three textbooks together. So when you're hearing our lecture, let's say if you are hearing a lecture on pancreas, I have incorporated from Bailey, Sabiston, and also shorts. So if you have read Bailey, Sabiston, revise that and add on the shorts topics or shorts concepts, so that your all three textbooks are covered, and it will act as the best preparation for you. So I think that is all what I would like to tell you, the people who are revising now. If you have any doubts, please reach out to me.